What's up, welcome back. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can download and upload any font to Elementor from within your WordPress dashboard. It's very easy to do and it works like this. First thing you have to do is you can download a font and therefore you can just fill in the font that you want to download. In this case I want to give an example with the Obelix Pro font. It's a very popular font. It's the one that Mr. Beast also uses in his videos. He is one of the largest YouTubers out there. He has a lot of subscribers, and if you know which font you want to download, you can just fill in the font name followed by font and just search for it, or you can go to this website, the font free.io. So I click on it, and there are also other websites where you can download fonts, but I usually use this one. And over here you can see that the font is being displayed. So it's this font, the Obelix Pro font. Over here you can see how it looks like. These are all the letters and everything. So what you need to do now is you can download this font, and you can simply do it just by clicking over here on the download button, and then you can see the format it will be downloaded in is OTF and TTF, so that are two different formats. Doesn't really matter, just click on download. Over here now you click on this blue download button to download the zip file. Now this file is being downloaded. What you need to do now is you can open this. So now we have the fonts over here. Next thing to do is go back to your browser, and now I want to upload these files into my WordPress dashboard to Elementor. So therefore I go to the WordPress dashboard over here. Only thing you need to do is go to Elementor and then to custom fonts over here. Click on it. You see it's all empty now. So the next thing to do is to add a new font. You can guess it already. If you look right here, you can see a button which says add new. So you can click on it, and now you can enter a font family name. So in this case it's Obelix Pro, and yes, it's good. And now you can select for which format you want to upload the font. Now if I go back to the folder that I have created over here, I can see these are all TT true type formats. So that's TTF. So therefore I select this one, click on upload. Now I select the folder and I select this one, and I just go to this blue button over here, select the TTF file. So now I click on it, and after that is done I click on this blue publish button. Now you can see the font is being displayed over here, and sometimes when you have downloaded the font, there also can be a variant for the italic font or whatever. So you have a few options, so you can just upload them individually to see what the difference is. But for this case, for this example, I will just use this one. So now it is uploaded. And if I now go to pages, for example, I go back to the home page and edit with Elementor. Now I select this title, for example, go to the Style tab, click on Typography, and now I go to Family, and over here I can search for the name that I have used. So in this case it's Obelix Pro. Now I can select it, and as you can see, now this font has been applied to the page. So that's basically it. Not all the fonts that are out there are available in Elementor or any tool you use by default. So this quick and easy way, you can download fonts, you can add them to Elementor, and then you can select them for any widget that you use. So this was a title, this is a text editor, and over here it works the same way. Now I go to the font over here, the font family, search for the Obelix Pro, and I can select it. So I hope it's clear. Only thing you have to do now is click on update to save the settings, but for this example I want to set everything back again to the fonts that it was. But this is how it works. So it's very easy to do. I hope it's clear for you. This way you can have a lot of more options considering the fonts that you can use for your website. And I hope this helped you out. Thank you for watching. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel if this is the first video you watch. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date for upcoming videos that I will upload. And of course, please make sure to hit the like button. It would really help me out to help the channel grow, and for me also to know that these videos that I'm making are helpful. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you again in the next video.